Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to use interactive brokers for international trading, an excellent platform for accessing global markets and diversifying your portfolio. If you're ready to trade internationally, this guide will walk you through the essentials. Let's get started. Create and fund your account. Sign up for an interactive broker's account through their website or app. Complete the necessary identity verification and link your bank account to fund your trading account. Explore available markets. Interactive Brokers provides access to over 150 global markets. Navigate to the Market section to view countries, asset classes, and trading hours for various exchanges. Set your base currency. Configure your account's base currency to simplify transactions and minimize currency conversion fees. Interactive Brokers supports multiple currencies, so choose one that aligns with your trading goals. Use the currency conversion tool. Before trading in a foreign market, convert your funds into the required currency using the platform's built-in tool. This helps you manage exchange rates and control costs. Research international stocks and ETFs. Leverage Interactive Brokers' research tools to analyze stocks, ETFs, and other instruments in international markets. Use filters to narrow down options by region, industry, or performance metrics. Place an order. To trade internationally, search for the desired security using its ticker symbol or name. Select the appropriate market and place your order. Choose between limit, market, or stop orders based on your strategy. Monitor trading costs. Interactive Brokers offers competitive pricing, but fees can vary by market. Review the platform's fee schedule to understand commission rates, currency conversion costs, and other charges. Stay updated on regulations. Different countries have unique trading rules and tax implications. Use Interactive Brokers' resources or consult a financial advisor to stay compliant with international regulations. Track your portfolio. Use the platform's dashboard to monitor your international holdings, assess performance, and adjust your strategy as needed. Interactive Brokers makes it easier than ever to access global markets and expand your investment horizons. Have you tried international trading with Interactive Brokers? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading tips. See you in the next one.